Setting water hardness. Keep pressed the rinse button for about 6 seconds until D-scale lights on ESC and the OK flash. Turn knob select level corresponding water hardness test. 1 red square equals soft water, 1 icon flashes. 2 red squares equals slightly hard water, 2 icons flash. 3 red squares equals hard water, 3 icons flash. 4 red squares equals very hard water, 4 icons flash. Press the OK brew button to confirm. The light turns on to indicate that the appliance is saving the new setting. If you want to abort the operation, press the D-scale ESC button. The machine is now reprogrammed with the new water hardness setting.